If your day trading session is looking something like this, by the end of this video, this strategy will take your trading to the next level just by using key levels and one simple price action pattern. Once you train your eyes, you will see the signals all over the place, whether you are a trend trader, reversal trader, or range trader. Before we begin, if you would want to see more videos just like this more often, please drop a like and comment below to help us reach more people on YouTube. Don't forget to turn on that bell so you don't miss out when new content is released. So this scalping strategy is very straight to the point, all right? What you're looking for is market structure, key levels, and an entry technique on the smaller time frames to get in, get out. Okay, now this also can work really well with an intraday type of trader as well. If you're looking to hold, for no longer than a day or no longer than one session. So for starters, what you want to look at is market structure. All right, so market structure will come to the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Typically like to stay on the 1 hour when I'm looking, for short-term overall order flow. So what you can see is we made a low here, we made a high, we made a higher low, we made a higher high, we made a lower or higher low for perhaps. And so now we already made a higher high, but in this instance, I'm looking for us to potentially continue to move higher, all right, in this instance. And so that's all you're doing. You're looking at basic market structure, and you're looking at these key levels where liquidity is residing. So for this particular trade, what I'm looking at is I see that we rejected this particular area, and I saw that on the 4 hour chart. All right, so if I take the lipstick off, I can see we made some sort of double bottom, right? Price came down, rejected that area pretty hard on the 4 hour chart. So that just tells me, okay, we would like to go higher, all right? And so once I get a good read on that and where price is most likely to go, because for starters, on these higher time frames too, or this 4 hour time frame, we can clearly see we have strong bullish momentum to the upside. So I am not a contrarian type of trader. I like to go with the flow of the market, unless I see an optimal entry to get a pullback, because definitely I like to typically play the pullback like for here. Like I can play that to the downside, but for the sake of this particular scalping strategy or this training, we're looking at as price is creating that level of support, right? And we see this key level of between 1860 and 1865. We see price ranging here over for a couple of hours actually. Just ranging in this area. So knowing that, I would need to get a break above 1865 or anticipate. In this instance, I'm anticipating price to pump higher just because during the New York session, we didn't see much volume, right? And so this is a trade that I've taken outside of my normal trading session, but because I'm very confident on my higher time frame analysis, I'm giving this a go. And so all I needed to see was this 30-minute on this 30-minute chart, as I'm seeing that we create a level of support here, and just reading the price action, I'm seeing on the 15-minute chart we're breaking highs, right? And so now price is starting to gain this late London close, late session, volume. So I'm playing off of that. And so all you have to do is look at your market structure, look at where your key levels are, look at the key level, and look at where price rejected from, okay? In this instance, we rejected on the 4 hour chart, we rejected this area here. We rejected 1860, and as price was started to show signs of wanting to pump up, that is all I needed to know. So now I just go down to the 5-minute. You can go down to the 1-minute chart as well. So as price is coming down, I don't enter typically on the less than the 5-minute chart, but on this one here, I enter on the 15-minute, and we're good to go. So that is a quick lesson on how to scalp the market. Just wait, look at overall market structure on the 4-hour time frame, that 1-hour time frame, and then just plan your entry accordingly as price is showing momentum. And that right there, if you want to see more, click the like button.